Welcome back to EDYPRO fashion, crafted with excellence. This is the sewing of the tie we drafted before. You have to sew it with half an inch, the good side facing each other, and you sew with half an inch. That's the half an inch I'm measuring. This is the main fabric now. This is the main material. You join them together and sew half an inch. Then you cut your thread. Cut your thread. This is how it's going to look when you sew it. Then you also take the lining, right side facing each other, and you sew with also half an inch as you did to the main fabric, the main material. I'm measuring the half inch. And you join it together, right side facing each other. Join them together. Okay, you cut your thread. Then you carry both of them together, both the lining and the main material. Place them right side facing each other, right side facing each other, and you sew with the triangle from the triangle side. Yeah, as I show you, you sew it to the next triangle. You stop it there, and also carry the other side, and also sew the same thing with half an inch, right side facing each other. Then you sew from the triangle side as I showed you. Sew it like that. Then I'll come back to show you the result. So here is the sewing. I've sewn it like I show you, like I told you, sorry. Then you cut the excess. Cut the excess. And also from the other side, you also trim out the excess. Trim out the excess. Then after trimming out the excess, it's now time for you to turn it inside out. You turn it to the right side. After you might have trimmed the excess, you trim it. Sorry, you turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side. And make sure everything is okay. And also turn to the other side. And also turn it to the right side as shown. Cut the excess. Yeah, after turning it, you have to turn the right side facing each other and you pin because you want to sew it. You want to sew it together. Then after sewing it together, you now have to trim it. I've trimmed this one as you've seen it. After facing the right side to the right side, I sew it. After sewing it, now trim it as you have seen. Now it's now time for you to turn it to the right side as shown. You turn it to the right side. Make sure you turn it so that you now have the right side from the wrong side. This is me trying to turn everything. And also I've already put my logo. That's my logo there. You don't have no problem. But me, I've done my brand logo. So you put it there. I'm trying to turn everything. You can't skip this part. You have to do it the right way. After turning it, I've turned it, then you give it a very good press. You iron it very well so that it can come out. Look at how our tie is. Our tie is ready. Look at it. Very okay, balance. It looked like ready-made, guys.